Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert your text into diagram or figure. This is a very useful tool which is free AI tool for your PPT presentation, for your research articles, review paper, thesis writing, overall for uh, converting your text, which is very complicated sometimes for the readers and the audience, and will be boring if you are presenting a PPT in the classes and people will be sleeping. So instead, I highly suggest you to convert your text with the help of this free AI tool into the beautiful and nice, catchy uh, figures. So the name of the AI tool is Napkin AI, and just we have to create our own account. It is for free 100%, of course, up to now. But let's see in the future what will happen. All what you have to do, go to your text and make a copy of your text. You can see near about 600 words I have selected from one of my articles, then make a copy and come back, and just all you have to do is the paste option. After that, click on this button, it will scan your text and some figures will be generated in a day. So you can see it's quite interesting. This is like a flowchart which we have, and this is another type. Amazing, this is really something which is so useful and very uh, powerful tool to convert the complexity of the text into very easy and understandable way. Even if you're not happy with any of them, you can create more. Then we have something like this, and so see how good it is. It can be, and the next one overall, that is, you just can play with that. There was a figure which I was interested, so this figure we will select here, and that is all done. If you are not happy with any of them, you can just delete them, or if you want to add any title, you can do that. But in my case, I don't need to do any activities from here. You can add the label, then you can draw something, you can add any optional image from your own, and you can search for more options. So the next point which I have to do is the download option only in PNG format, which is quite acceptable for many research papers and articles. Just save it and your favorite location, and that is all. So you can see we have a very high quality that is called reframing climate education, and it is now very easy to get what the authors and the writer really mean by that text. So the summary of 600 words and many paragraphs are this figure which makes the text and the research papers much easier for the audience and the readers. Thanks for the watching. See you next time.